Oh, die alten Schweißdinger, was die an? Boah.
And also very important is the gauntlet style wedding clothes to protect his hands, to be safe of flames. So, Mr. Walker, you are ready for his job?
Why do you say he's ready for his job? You are ready for your job.
For your job?
Yes.
Can you something about welding explain?
Yes. There are many different welding kinds. For example, MIG, VIG, or glass welding. Today we want to show you the electrical welding. For this you need a welding system with an electrical generator. Because of the fire protection decree of the school, we only show it with two hooks and not with metal. At first, you switch on the electrical degree, electrical power. Only do it in the
Plug it
or plug it in the wall.
in the wall. Right. What a wall that you got there. Maybe in the socket.
In the socket, yes. Then you look in the table book, or you have to know how for the correct welding, for the correct setting of the welding generator, for the material and thickness from your material, for example for steel or aluminium. Now you clean your material from ink with a wire brush. And put the electrode in your welding torch. Now you connect the minus pole on the welding table or on the material. Now you can switch on the electrical generator and take the welding torch in the correct suitable angle to the material. When the arc arises,
Ohne Helm.
you have the correct distance and make a welding joint.
Ohne Helm.
In English, please, yeah?
Without a helmet.
Your critical,
Now when you are finished, you hit with a hammer. The slack and control the quality of the welding joint. When it's okay, you disconnect the minus pole and clean the welding joint with the wire brush. Now, when you look on your welding joint and it's okay, you can switch out your welding system and you are ready.
Thank you, Mr. Walker. So, that's all.
Thank you very much.